Next 4 marks question, core loss law. It is very important for the annual exam purpose. So what is the core loss law? I go to the definition. Core loss law states that the equivalent conductivity of an electrolyte at infinite dilution is equal to the sum of the conductance of anions and cations. So what is meaning here? Core loss law. The equivalent conductivity of an electrolyte is equal to the sum of conductance of anions and cations. At which condition? At infinity dilution. In that infinity dilution, the equivalent conductivity is equal to the sum of the cations and anions. So here I written mathematical formula for the core loss law. We know that already lambda is indicating the equivalent conductivity, and infinite is the infinite dilution, and here is a lambda, same equivalent conductivity. A is the anion and here is the C is the cation. So lambda infinity equal to equivalent conductivity of an infinite dilution, lambda A equal to equivalent conductivity of an anion, and lambda C, that lambda C equal to equivalent conductivity of an cation. I hope you understood core loss law. So what is that core loss law? Again I say that one, the equivalent conductivity of an electrolyte, whatever that electrolyte, equivalent conductivity is equal to the sum of the cations of anions, sum of the cations and anions at infinite dilution. So that is the lambda infinity equal to lambda A plus lambda C, lambda anion plus lambda cation. That's enough. Next one application is there, calculation of lambda infinity for a weak electrolyte. So calculate lambda infinity. Lambda infinity means equivalent conductivity of an infinite dilution. So for the weak electrolyte does not ionize completely even at great dilution. So lambda infinity value of weak electrolyte cannot be determined experimentally. In that case, core loss law is applied for the calculation of lambda infinity of electrolyte. So from the according to core loss law, we can be write the acetic acid lambda infinity, the equivalent conductivity of at infinity dilution acetic acid, equivalent conductivity of acetic acid at infinity dilution, that is equal to CH3COO minus, this is the anion, lambda CH3COO minus plus lambda H plus, this is the cation, as like to the same formula of core loss law. Here lambda infinity is equal to cation plus anion, here lambda infinity equal to acetate anion plus hydrogen plus. Calculation of lambda infinity of CH3COOH. This can be calculated by knowing lambda infinity of CH3COONA, sodium acetate, HCl and NaCl. Lambda infinity of CH3COONA, the lambda infinity CH3CON means equivalent conductance at infinity dilution of sodium acetate, that is equal to lambda CH3CO minus plus lambda Na plus. This is the equation number 1. Equivalent conductance at infinity dilution of HCl, that is equal to lambda H plus plus lambda Cl minus. This is the equation number 2. Equivalent conductance at infinity dilution of NaCl, that is equal to lambda Na plus lambda Cl minus. This is equation number 3. From equation number 1, 2 and 3 we can be write like this, lambda infinity CH3COONA plus lambda infinity HCl plus lambda infinity NaCl, that is equal to lambda CH3COO minus from the equation number 1 plus Na plus Na plus from the equation number 2 H plus Cl minus plus Na plus Cl minus lambda Na plus lambda Cl minus lambda Na plus lambda Cl minus from the equation number 3. So here to see lambda Na and lambda Na both are similar, so we can be lambda Na and lambda Na, and lambda Cl minus these also same, so cancel them. Lambda Cl minus remains lambda CH3COO minus plus lambda H plus. So this is the lambda infinity value by the knowing lambda infinity of sodium acetate, HCl and NaCl. Next, second application, calculation of absolute velocity of ions. So directly I given here formula. Ionic mobility or viscosity of ions, that is mu equal to ionic conductance lambda by 96,500. Next one, application 3, calculation of degree of dissociation of a weak electrolyte. So weak electrolyte, we know that acetic acid and ammonium hydroxide, these are the weak electrolytes because of it's not easily to dividing to like to the anion and cation. So that's why we can be say that one weak electrolyte. The degree of dissociation, that's formula directly I given here, the formula degree of dissociation alpha equal to lambda V by lambda infinity. What is there here? Lambda V by lambda infinity. Lambda V equal to conductance at given concentration. Lambda infinity equal to conductance at infinite dilution. Conductance at infinite dilution.